Assalamu alaikum, smart peoples. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to another new video. Today we will discuss about how to make Google Ads Manager account. So, why we actually need an Google Ads Manager account? Basically, suppose you are running an you are running an marketing agency, or maybe you are an freelancer. You got multiple clients. So if you just handle your client's single account one by one, this will be very messy and you could make an mistakes. It's happened to a lot of people I know actually. So if you have an single Google Ads Manager account, you put all of your clients' account together there, and you can very organizedly you can manage all of the clients' account from this single Ads Manager account. So let's jump into the screen and see how to make an Google Ads Manager account, and also how to get access from anyone. So if you learn it, you could just get access from your client's account. So let's start. First, search on Google Ads Manager account. Here, find the business.google.com, this URL. Click on here. Then click Start Now button. Let's wait. Okay. Here, put your display name. The display name you will put here. This will show when you trying to get any access from your client's account. The name they will see, it will be this. Suppose what should you can do? Our email is hadiurextra. Okay, just put this here. Hadiur, sorry, hadiur extra 2. Then manage the other people's account. Okay, no need to here add an billing address. Just click I'm not a robot. Then submit. Yeah, congratulates, you are all done. Then explore your account. Click explore your account. Okay. Cross exit kite lib skip cancel. Okay, here we come to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and here Hadir extra 2 our name, and here you can see accounts. Here we can find all of the accounts you will get from another clients. This is our main manager account, Hadir extra 2. Now let's see how to get access from others. Just here, account sections, then come sub account settings. Here you can see sub account settings. Here you can see another plus button. Click on the plus button. Okay, we can see here three options: create new manager account, create new account. You can, yes, this is a manager account. You can also add another manager, create another manager account here. Also, you can create new accounts, new basic accounts here as well. And then our main one, link existing account. Click here. Okay, now you have to paste the customer ID. So what is customer ID? Let's see. Suppose this is our client, and we want to get access of this account. This account name is MD Hadiur Rahman Al Adib, email access to Hadiur, and here you can see this is the ID. Just copy this ID from here, then come to the manager account and paste it here. Then click send request, sending account request. And okay, there is a thing you have to confirm this email is exists to you, but nothing to worry anything. Just click the confirm button, and then okay, This verification will go to your mobile phone. Okay, I'm opening my phone. Okay, here you can see this type of verification will come. Just click the yes, it's me option here. Then we have to put the number. This number, the number is showing on the screen. 99. Okay, that's it. Our verification is complete, and I think our request sending is complete as well. This request is not going go to your ad account. It will go to your email. Search email, email, email. Yes. Here your account is now linked to. Okay, okay. Yeah. Mm, nope. This is not the one. Oh, I think I get it. You can see here we are making mistakes, and I told you before that the mistakes I will make, you will learn from here. So what happened here is basically this is a completely new manager account. So when we try to get access from another account, you have to just verify it. Then you have to again uh, put the customer ID here. Copy it and paste, send request. Sending one account. Okay, okay, okay. Now, yes, one account link request has been sent. Okay, the request sending is successfully complete, and here you can see yes, yes, yes. We get the email. You have pending request. This is a request of your this account access to give to this manager account. Just give access request. Okay. Now you can see here. Yes, you can see here we give our this account access to this manager account. Hadir extra 2, Hadir extra 2. And where you may have questions where we will have the account in our manager account. So let's just refresh it. Okay. All. Oh, sorry. I made another mistake. I have to click the accept button here again. Accept, grant access. Confirm it's you. Yes, you have to confirm again here too as well. Open your phone. Look, it's me, 89, and what? And it's done. Grant access. Okay, now it's finally you can see here. Go to our manager account, make and refresh. Click here. Okay, now we get this account access to our this manager account. Click here. You can see the dashboard. This is the account of this account. MD Hadiur Al Adib. MD Hadiur Al Adib. So guys, suppose you have five clients and you get access from your those five clients from their account. You can see the listing here like one client, two client, three client, four client. Here listing. You can just switch between them very easily. It's very convenient and very useful things for agencies and freelancers. So this is the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And I made two or three mistakes, so you can learn from it, and you won't do the mistakes what I made here. Please subscribe to my channel, like it. See you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.